Computer hardware parts. Power supply unit, installed in the back corner of the PC case, next to the motherboard. It converts 120V standard house power into DC voltage that are used by other components in the PC. Motherboard, the main circuit board of a computer. It contains all the circuit and components that run the computer. Optical disk drive. An optical drive is a storage device that uses laser to read data on the optical media. RAM. RAM is volatile, meaning it holds data only when the power is on. When the power is off, RAM's contents are lost. SATA cable. External interface. Optical serial ATA is a computer bus interface that connects host bus adapters to mass storage devices such as hard disk drives, optical drives, and solid-state drives. CPU. The processor is the main brain or heart of a computer system. It performs all of the instruction and calculation that are needed and manage the flow of information through a computer.
FDD cable. The floppy channel FDD header or floppy connection is where the floppy drive connects to the computer motherboard. Finally, the standard PC floppy drive connector contains 34-pin holes.
Heatsink. It absorbs the heat produced by the CPU or GPU and becomes hot itself.
LAN card. A network interface controller is a computer hardware component that connects a computer to a computer network. Early network interface controllers were commonly implemented on expansion card that plug into a computer bus. Video card. A video card connects to the motherboard of a computer systems and generate output images to display. Video cards are also referred to as graphics cards. Video cards include a processing unit, memory, a cooling mechanism, and connection to a display device. IDE cable. IDE, or Integrated Drive Electronics, is an electronic interface standard that defines the connection between a bus on a computer's motherboard and the computer's disk storage devices.
System fan. A chase fan is located inside the computer, attached to the front or back of its case. Case fans help bring cool air into and blow hot air out of the case. CPU fan. A fan in a CPU blows air into or out of a case, or cools down the heatsink of the processor graphics card itself.
Floppy disk drive. A floppy disk drive is a hardware device that reads data storage information. It was invented in 1967 by a team at IBM and WAS, one of the first types of hardware storage that could read or write a portable device.
Hard disk drive, also known as hard drive, is a magnetic storage device that is installed inside the computer. The hard drive is used as permanent storage for data. In a Windows computer, the hard drive is usually configured as the C drive and contains the operating system and application. And this is all the computer hardware parts.